Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Layla from 365daysofnoscreens.com, and if you're a returning viewer, welcome back to the community where we help families balance screen time. Today we're talking about Sintra AI and all the incredible new features that have been added since my 1-week review video. Spoiler alert, there's a lot to love and a few things we hope will drop in the next update. So stick around if you're ready to supercharge your productivity, streamline your business, and maybe get a little wish list action going on in the comments. Alright, let's kick it off with the biggest new features that have landed in Sintra AI since my last review. This one's got some people feeling like they've unlocked VIP mode, multiple profiles. However, some users are reporting they can create and manage up to 10 profiles on their account while others still only have 5. What's the deal with that, Sintra? Is this because you're phasing it in, or is it a tiered system? Either way, it's a game changer for those lucky few. So imagine being able to have 10 different AI-driven personas or workflows operating simultaneously. This is an absolute productivity boost for business owners. So we'd love to see this feature made accessible to all users. So Sintra, if you're watching, hook us up. But that's not all. Let's talk about the new update that's giving us some ChatGPT vibes. The introduction of the Chat History Sidebar. Yes, you've now got a running log of your past conversations on the left-hand side of the screen. No more losing track of past chats or wondering, where did that brilliant idea go? It's all right there. This is a feature we've all been waiting for, and I'm happy to see it finally rolled out. But there's one thing I'm still hoping for, a search bar. Yep, a simple magnifying glass icon is all we need to search past chats by keyword. And I'm not sure I'm not alone here. Sometimes I'm deep in a task and thinking, did I ask Sintra about this already? Who was I even talking to about this topic? Then I have to manually scroll to find it. And it's fine for now, but a search bar would turn this from good to legendary. So please, users, drop a magnifying glass in the comments if you agree. Oh, and I can't forget to mention this, Sintra has also launched an iOS app. This is massive for Apple users who can now take all this automation goodness on the go. But if you're like me and you're on Team Android, then this one's a little bit of a letdown. I'd love to see an Android app on the horizon, so let's hope that that's in the works. I think Sintra's already on the case, so let's drop a thumbs up emoji in the comments if you're with me. And here's one more exciting addition. You can now copy and paste images directly into chats, and Sintra can read and process those images. This one opens up so many possibilities for streamlining workflows like sharing screenshots, diagrams, or scanned documents, and it's a fantastic leap forward in functionality, much like ChatGPT Plus, where it can review documents. Sintra can now do the same. But wait, there's more exciting news straight from the Sintra team, so let me give you a quick breakdown of what makes the Sintra app so special. So you've got the live employee pages, so each employee has their own animations and environment, creating a very interactive and engaging experience. You've got daily activities based on your Brain AI data. This app generates suggestions for daily activities you and your virtual employees can do together, which sounds awesome. Mobile first design. So this is designed from scratch for an intuitive mobile experience, whether you're swiping through ideas or improving tasks on the go. And guess what? An Android version, like I've already mentioned, is already in the works. So Sintra is planning to add a voice call feature so you can interact with your virtual employees through meetings or conversations, bringing collaboration to the next level. And from the Sintra Facebook community, we've also seen some fantastic feature requests. Social media auto poster, so imagine scheduling posts for all major platforms directly from Sintra. API integration, so open the system up for developers to create integrations, which would massively accelerate Sintra's utility. Master brain functionalities, so for users with multiple businesses like myself, a central master brain to manage crossovers between projects would be an absolute dream. And you've got the WordPress chatbot integration. Turn your Brain AI to handle customer queries directly on your WordPress website. I'm really looking forward to this one. And the Sintra community is buzzing with ideas. So if you haven't already joined, check it out. With over 1,400 members, it's a great space to share insight and connect with others and with other users. All right, let's get into the wishlist territory. Here's what's on our dream board for Sintra. Custom notifications. Imagine being reminded when a task is ready to review, saving you from juggling deadlines. We need a proactive assistant nudging us at just the right time. And if this is by email or by WhatsApp, that would be even more amazing. Collaboration between helpers. Wouldn't it be great if our virtual helpers could seamlessly pass tasks between each other and access shared histories? This would be teamwork automated, even more so than it is already. Upload spreadsheets and CSV files. While we can do this right now, the financial data or customer lists, uploading large data-centric files for instant analysis would be an absolute game changer for busy professionals like me. Enhanced task organization with tagging, archiving, and prioritization. We'd love to manage chat threads with a customized Trello-like board built right into Sintra. And destination folder selection in Google Drive. Let's choose exactly where we want our files to go into Google Drive, which means no more rummaging through unorganized folders, which would be an absolute time saver. Default language settings. Ever had your AI switch spelling on you? A locked UK English setting or US setting, if that's where you want to go, would make things consistent and easy to automate. Daily helper questions. Sometimes I think the questions need a little bit more thought. So let's have a save for later option, which would allow us to revisit them when we're ready to revisit. And what about avoiding repetitive questions? Like, let's streamline that experience. Sintra should remember and could remember key inputs and skip redundant queries, even if it's being asked by another helper. Faster customer support. I know that you're full on, like everything must be really busy for you right now, but waiting days for a response isn't ideal from customer support. Quicker support would make the ideal experience far smoother. Improved AI suggestions. Let's tailor those suggestions based on real user data, and that would make Sintra feel like it truly does know us and our brains. Better sidebar visibility. I think for smaller screens, a more prominent chat sidebar would be a massive usability win. Auto posting on Outlook desktop. Imagine drafting emails or posts in Sintra and then having them auto post directly from your desktop Outlook. Simple and seamless. And while this works on Gmail and Outlook Exchange, this doesn't work on Outlook desktop users like me. Reduce helper overwhelm, like tools like folders, tags, and visual dashboards would make managing multiple helpers a breeze. So what feature do you want? Drop it in the comments below and let's see if we can get Sintra integrate those suggestions in the next few months. So to recap, we've got new features like the iOS app, we've got the chat history sidebar, we've got 10 profiles for some users, not all, but there's still plenty we'd love to see, like the Android app, a chat search bar, and better support for smaller screens, and more collaboration between helpers too. And how about that new image reading feature? Absolute game changing. But what do you think Sintra would work on next? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos on the channel, especially my basic overview of Sintra AI to get started. I'll leave a link in the description. If you're ready to jump into Sintra AI, use my code VIP70 for 70% off your subscription, whether it's a monthly, 3-month or annual plan. And the best part, that price is locked in for the entire duration of your subscription. So don't miss this deal. If you found this video helpful, please do me a favor and smash that like button. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more updates on Sintra AI, productivity hacks, automation tips, and all around resources for you parents like me to help balance screen time. So thank you so much for watching.